You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how do New Yorkers pronounce the name of this Greek dish. We'll be looking at how to say more confusing pronunciations. If you want to learn how to pronounce it properly, I've got a video for you, so make sure to stay tuned. In NYC, New York, it's often said as GYRO, but that's definitely not how you want to say it, and that's not how they say it in Greece either. This video right here is how to say it properly. Thanks for watching. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.